your host JM, and this is F1 in the Dark Singapore episode. Yes, I'm staying up late for Singapore qualifying. It's almost 11 p.m. here in Melbourne, but I want to watch it live because, as you know, in Singapore under the Marina Bay lights, grid position is key to success on Sunday. Right, so I'm excited who gets to record the lap matters the most. Oh, but there's some news. Lewis is under investigation for a red flag infringement during practice. That's off the back of Ferrari being fined 10,000 euros because Charles hit Lando in the pit lane. So hopefully there's no penalty for Lewis. That's all. I'm waiting for it to start, waiting patiently for it to start, but I'm excited. Right, started. Cars are coming down the pit lane. Oh, Lewis doesn't have penalty. No further actions from the gonna go. Oh, there's a yellow flag. Yellow flag already. Who's that? Where is it? And who is it? Piastri had to abort his lap because he was shown a yellow flag for a car that just was getting out of his way, and now he has to pit and change for a new car. Hadjar on top. Hadjar has the fastest lap. Come on, Oscar. Get out of the danger zone. P6. Singapore is so pretty at night. Tingnan mo, Dad. Why is Tsunoda at bottom 5? It's 20th. That was close, Hamilton. Oh, Hamilton goes fastest! Purple sector 3. Hamilton! There's a yellow flag again. Oh, he's in the barriers. Oh, he's in the wall. Oh no, Tsunoda. Oh no, let him finish, please. Yuki's out of the danger zone. Yes, Yuki's at 10th. Now we've got Hulkenberg is in 13. Yes, he's still in Q2. Lance Stroll is out. Colapinto's out. Ocon's out. Gasly's out. Oh, Bortoletto's out too. No surprises there in the bottom 5. They've started the second session of qualifying. Max is first out. Okay, Max is on the flying lap. It's the first one to have a crack. He has never been on pole in Singapore and has never won in Singapore. His highest position is second. Purple first sector for Max. Oh, another purple sector. Second sector. Oh, purple. Oh, 3 sectors. Oh my God. Piastri was second. Come on. Antonelli's lap is deleted. Where is Leclerc's time? What? Why is he P13? Oh no! What happened to Leclerc? Oh, he hit the wall. Kimi's lap has been deleted. He was over track limits. Oh no! He's in danger. He's in the elimination zone. Charles is in danger as well as Kimi. Oh! Kimi's fastest! Oh my God. Yes. Wow. Bottas, his mentor, is shown. Oh, George is now first. Oh my God. The track is evolving. Everyone's going fastest. Who's this? Albon. Oh my God, Charles is not improving. Charles Leclerc. Come on, Charles. What? George! Nico is on top 10. Ah, yes, thank God. Thank God. Charles is out of the danger zone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's stressful. That was stressful, guys. I thought he's gonna be out of Q2. Oh no, it's Hulkenberg out, Albon out, Sainz out, Lawson out, and Yuki's out too. Oh, look at that. Marina Bay Sands is so amazing. So pretty at night. It's qualifying session 3. I think George is out first. George and Kimi actually are in this. They were not in my cards. I wasn't thinking about them when we were doing predictions. Here we go. This is it. This will dictate what will happen on Sunday. George actually is good in Singapore. He only crashed, I think, during the final laps in 2023. George's fastest in first sector. So scary. He's so close to the wall. Oh, another purple sector for George. Ah, that was so close to the wall. I think he hit the wall, but he's still purple on the third sector. Okay, 29-1. Where are you gonna be, Lando? Lando's down on Russell's time. Leclerc is down. Lando's third only. Lando's third. The Mercedes are there. Piastri's down. Verstappen! Max is fastest second sector. Piastri is second. He's splitting the Mercedes. Where's Max? Is Max gonna be faster than George? Come on, Max. Ah! Max is only second. Oh my God! George had a perfect lap. He was purple, all 3 sectors. Max is only fastest second and third sector. Oh. It's already midnight now, guys. I can do this. I can stay up for more action. Oh no, Norris is down. 2 cents down. Leclerc is also down. 2 cents down as well. Norris is 5th. Leclerc is down 4 cents. Oh, come on, Charles. No, it's only 7th for Leclerc. George is fastest in middle sector. I think George got the pole. Kimi still 4th. Where is Verstappen? He's down. Come on, Max. Oh, he's backed off. George is on pole. George is on pole. I didn't have him on my cards. Wow, George. Way to disrupt everything. We were talking about Lando and Oscar and Max and probably Ferrari. Yeah. I forgot that you're also good in Singapore, George. Max is second. Max isn't happy. Max still hasn't got his pole in Singapore. McLaren has no pace. I mean, not no pace. I mean, Ferrari has no pace. But McLaren is not fast. It's not fast here. George broke the record in Singapore. Oscar's in 3rd. still ahead of Lando. Max is on second. I wonder why Max is a bit disappointed. What happened to his lap? Max is quite pissed. I think he was really close to George's qualifying time, and he was really close to pole. But then apparently Lando was on his way, so he's obviously very upset in the interview. It's exciting tomorrow. It's George and Max in front row. George already said this guy is very good in turn 1 and on the inside, so I'll be keeping an eye out on him. Alright, we'll see tomorrow. There might be some safety cars. Singapore's always had safety car except for last year, so we'll see. Okay guys, it's past midnight here. Good night. See you again tomorrow on the race. Hi guys, welcome back. It's race day in Singapore. We're live in Melbourne. I've got wine, I've got charcuterie, I'm race ready, and I'm excited to watch this race unfold. And now it's the national anthem. Apparently it was raining earlier, so the track is a little bit wet. When they did their practice laps, the drivers were deciding whether to go slicks or inters, but I think they're gonna go slick. George starts on medium. Max has soft tires on. Oh my god. Saying McLaren could win this if any of the boys get into podium or both of them are in top 7. So it's most likely that McLaren will win Constructors' Championship tonight. This is it. This is it. Oh my god! Ah! Ah! George is ahead! George is ahead of Max. Oh my god! Oh my god! Lando and Oscar! Ah! Lando and Oscar! Okay, don't hit each other! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That's so close to the wall! Ah! Yes! Charles is on 4th. Oh my god! Another... Oh! Oh! Is that Hadjar? Hadjar and Alonso? Norris had a contact. I knew it! They touch each other. Finally, Lando's aggressive. Yes! Lando's front wing! I mean, that wasn't very team-like, but sure. Oh, Oscar's complaining. Lando took a place. Lando took a place from Oscar. Yeah, spicy! Ah! There it is! Oh! Oh my god! This is almost at the back of Max as well. But this, so are we cool with Lando just barging me out the way, or what's the go there? Oh, come on, Oscar. Head down. It's like that. It's for World Championship. Elbows out. God, there's already 2 seconds difference between Norris and Piastri. Of course, it's between 2 McLarens. Oh, come on, McLaren. Don't tell me you're gonna swap them.
Ooh, Lando really did hit him and he's almost in the wall. That's why he's complaining.
Yeah, just focus. Just focus, Oscar. Oh my god, oh my god. They're gonna undercut Verstappen. Norris is gonna box to undercut Verstappen. Will he do it? Is it a bluff? Stay out! Oh, it's a bluff! It's just a bluff. Oh, this is getting to be a snooze fest, guys. think Max is gonna pit. Max is pitting. Max is ahead of Alonso. Let's see if Norris is gonna get, if he's able to overcut Max. Outlap critical. Let's get on with it. Yes. Yes. Go Max. Charles is in pit. Ah! Why are you not ahead of Nico? Come on, Charles. There you go. Oh, George is in the pit. George is in the pit. George is ahead of Max. Ah, there's Charles. Yes. Charles is still ahead of Kimi. Okay. Lando's pitting. Okay, Norris is behind Max. No, Hodger has an issue. Oh my God! Oh my God! Now it's Oscar's turn to have a slow pit stop. It's 5.2 seconds. Oh no! Who's this? Oh, Alonso has a slow pit stop too. Oh my God! What's happening with the pits? Alonso has 9.2 seconds pit stop. Oh my God! Now he's 14. He was in the top 10. Oh my God! It's Hulkenberg. Oh, yellow flag. Oh, I thought it's gonna be a safety car. Oh, I'm hoping for a safety car. Oh, I'm falling asleep here, guys. Help. Lando is now within DRS of Max. Max has been struggling with downshift issues. He's been complaining that the car is undrivable, so now Norris is just 0.7 seconds away and they're on a straight. Oh my God. Lando's closing in. Oh my God, Norris is just half a second.
It's on those soft tyres. Fastest man on the track, 1:34.3 on the last lap. I wonder.
Oh my God, Antonelli is ahead of Leclerc.
You'll see him. He's got to get through.
Antonelli, get past Leclerc.
Wow, he's coming at them like a rocket.
2 laps to go, guys. I'm so sleepy. It's very less action. It's the final lap. It's gonna be George winning. It's his second Grand Prix win this season. Well done to him. He has won it yesterday. And he has kept it together and kept it calm and cool during the race start. So well done to George. It's vindication from 2023 when he was running in the podium position and then he crashed. So George will be happy about this win. Yesterday he couldn't celebrate properly because he was still very worried about, you know, the race. But now I think he can celebrate. Well done, George. McLaren's constructor. Oh, this is a cool podium. Oh wow. That's cool. Nice.
And that's a wrap for F1 in the Dark Singapore edition. Please tune in to Grandstand Gossip for our full recap, and we'll unpack more about whether this papaya rules will change. Is it gloves off? So see you next time. Bye. Good night.
Rumor has it.